each one a blessing.
What a beautiful day!
It is. Look at the children.
What are those birds, Papa?
In our time, we had little but we shared everything.
A family that works together never goes hungry.
In this village, no one stood alone. Neighbors came to help during harvest, and laughter echoed through the land.
We share our stories to guide you.
These tales hold our values. They remind you who you are.
My children, do you know why the land always blesses those who respect it?
Tell us, Grandpa.
Long ago, our ancestors told stories of courage and unity around fires just like this. Long ago, there was a farmer who was lazy. He would sleep under a tree all day.
He planted nothing, yet expected a harvest. My children, remember this. Hard work is the seed of success.
But his neighbor worked every day, even when it was hard. Kwaku, today I will harvest more than you. We will see. They were not rich in money, but rich in something greater, unities. They remembered.
They are learning.
And they will never forget. Yes, because the land listens. It knows who cares.
The hardworking one. We will always work hard, Grandpa.
I know you will. Make me proud. And always love each other. That is even more important. The night has grown quiet, and the stars shine over the village.
It is time to say goodbye.
Remember what you learned and carry it in your heart. We are grateful, as always,
Your wisdom guides this family.
and we are stronger for it.
Our hearts are full.
Go well, my children.
We will see you tomorrow.
Good night, Grandpa.
Good night, children. Sweet dreams.
We will.
And you will be my child.
Mom, I want to be wise like Grandma.
And so, hand in hand, they walked back to their home, tired but full, not just with food, but with love.